Hello,
What's up, man?
I'm Lokсмит.
So this
What
is
happened?
This is what I'm getting.
Все по классике, все разобрано, все пытается самостоятельно, не получается. Okay.
You see?
Yeah, I see it. No, you can disconnect it. I have my tools.
So is this the body control module or is it the key?
Let me check it, okay? That's
So-
your car?
No.
It's customer car?
Yeah.
Okay,
So what happened was it got towed here from the dealership.
okay.
It's getting fuel, just no start.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Okay,
The starter's good. We checked all the wiring. Everything's fine.
okay.
BCM
Mm-hmm.
needs to be programmed. The body control module. Can you do that?
Yeah.
I think the BCM needs to be
I will
programmed
check.
first before you program a key.
Mm-hmm.
And it says the BCM needs to be programmed first.
Okay.
We took the BCM out
Why? Now or before?
just a little bit ago.
Okay. No, let me check it, okay?
Okay.
Couple minutes. Короче, видишь, это автосервис. Они попытались сделать все, что можно было. Не получилось, позвонили нас.
I think maybe the key's still good.
Угу.
I think you need to program the BCM first.
То, что у него ключ реагирует, к примеру, на все. На закрытие, открытие.
Это ничего не значит.
Nothing's missing here. It doesn't matter about this.
Угу.
This just the airbox.
Can you fix this all back?
Yeah. Because I think the BCM needs to be reprogrammed first.
Так, ну, короче, что можно было, что нельзя было, все разобрали. So, boss, you can check.
So it's still the same key.
Yeah,
It's still the same.
yeah,
So you had to program the computer and the BCM,
yeah,
like what I said.
yeah.
Yeah, I knew. I just
You
didn't
know,
have
because
the
you are a
program.
professional. Try this.
How much?
$5,247.
Damn, bro. How much?
It's $350.
$350, Mike.
Yes, I'm Mohammed, super professional from Tajikistan. You know? Yeah.
Keep your number, man. Cars all the time, like
Yeah, no problem.